Hey there, my name is Thomas and I'm an account manager here at PixelSpoke. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and embed a shortcode from a rates table somewhere on your website, allowing content managers to embed a shortcode one time and have all shortcodes automatically update when the rates table is updated. Let's get started. From the admin area, navigate to Rates Tables on the left side admin panel and click. This will show the Rates Tables page where all created rates tables are housed. From here, choose one to edit by hovering over the name of the rates table and clicking Edit. This will load editing mode of that particular rates table. Next, find the cell that you will need the shortcode for and click inside the cell to open the editing function of that cell. In the bottom left-hand corner of the editor, you'll see some bracketed characters of the rate ID and the cell ID. Now, highlight these characters from bracket to bracket. Right-click and copy, as this is the shortcode you will need. To embed the shortcode, navigate to the page that corresponds with the shortcode you'd like to embed. In this case, I copied an electric vehicle loan shortcode, so I'd likely want to add it to that page. For demonstration purposes, I want to scroll to the section of the page I'll be adding the shortcode to so that you can see what it looks like prior to adding the shortcode. Next, open the page in edit mode and scroll to the section where the shortcode will be added. Then, replace the manually typed percentage value with the shortcode. Now, click Update. Once updated, click View Page and scroll to the section where the shortcode was added. Take notice that the previous percentage value was 4.14%. However, now there is a different value. Perhaps the content editor forgot to update this area of the website, as it can be difficult to remember every place on the website where a rate was manually entered. Shortcodes allows for the ability to edit rates in one place without the need to remember or update rates manually in several areas. Also note that there are fields where shortcodes cannot be added. If this is the case, just contact your account or project manager. Should you attempt to delete a cell that has a shortcode embedded somewhere, the system will produce a message notifying you that this is the case and where to find those shortcodes. This is to prevent accidental deletions and ensure that all areas of the website are updated should the deletion be legitimate.